Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking an in-depth look at a fantastic upgrade for literally any car, the VUKARUAL 2026 Enhanced Carplay Screen. Their 7-inch portable unit promises to transform any vehicle, regardless of its age or factory stereo system, into a modern, smart, and connected hub. We are going to dive deep into the features and specifications that make this the must-have accessory for 2026. Let's start where technology matters most, connectivity. This VUKARUAL unit boasts an upgraded system, offering seamless wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. This is huge. No more fumbling with USB core cables. With USB cables just to get your maps running. The moment you start your engine, the unit connects instantly to your phone, giving you immediate access to your preferred navigation apps, streaming music services, and message notifications. It truly provides a seamless and clutter-free experience. The display itself is a generous 7-inch HD touchscreen. The visuals are exceptionally crisp and clear, ensuring great readability whether you are navigating on a sunny day or at night. More importantly, the interface is highly responsive, ensuring that every tap, swipe, and command is executed without delay, keeping user frustration to a minimum. Adding to its smart capabilities, the VUKARUAL features full integration with voice control system like Siri. This allows to place calls, send texts, change playlists, or get directions purely by voice command. This dedication to hands-free operation is vital, helping you keep your hands firmly on the wheel and your focus locked on the road ahead. Now let's talk core functionality and specs. This VUKARUL unit includes real-time GPS navigation, so you will always have accurate up-to-the-menu direction right on the screen. But perhaps the most valuable safety feature included is the HD backup camera. This provides a crystal clear wide-angle view when you shift into reverse, adding a crucial layer of safety for tricky parking maneuvers or avoiding objects you might miss in your mirrors. Regarding audio integration, the system is designed to work with all factory setups. It supports audio output through multiple channels, traditional FM radio transmission, a direct-to-wire AUX connection for maximum quality, and of course Bluetooth streaming. While the audio system operates in a mono output mode, the quality delivered through your existing car speakers will ensure clear navigation prompts and calls. One of the greatest selling point is its universal compatibility. The installation process is deliberately simple, making it a true DIY upgrade. The mounting type is straightforward and secure dashboard mount. Since it's a portable system and not reliant on complex wiring harnesses, it's compatible with all vehicles, making it a perfect solution whether you drive a 20-year-old truck or brand a new sedan. So, brand is VUKARUL, and for those curious about the internal working, the underlying operating system for the unit itself is Android. We can't forget the mirror link capabilities. This feature is fantastic for travelers or passengers, allowing you effortlessly mirror your smartphone's display directly onto the 7 screen for effortless sharing of videos, photos, or other specialized apps. Finally, for those in the United States, Canada, and Mexico, the included map type is specifically set up for North America. So, the VUKARUAL 2026 CarPlay Screen is the complete package. It delivers cutting-edge technology, 7-inch HD wireless, CarPlay Android, auto voice control, and an HD backup camera, all wrapped up in an easy-to-install universal